All right, let's go over our third and final example for lesson 9.3 rotations. We have our trapezoid JKLM with the given vertices, and we want to rotate it 270 degrees counterclockwise. Notice how trapezoid JKLM is in quadrant 1. If we were to rotate it 270 degrees counterclockwise, it's going to end up in quadrant 4. It'll end up being the same shape, it's just, again, the orientation is going to be a little different. There's a couple ways you could do it. Again, we want to rotate it about the origin right here. So just like before, we can take one of our points, make it equidistant away, and we want to go 270 degrees. Now that's like an obtuse angle, so 270 degrees is actually going to end up being right here, because it's going to be this entire angle right there, which is going to end up being 270 degrees. You could do that to each individual point. Again, make it equidistant away and then rotate it 270 degrees. Or think you could even go 90 degrees clockwise. But a shortcut way would be to use this rule. So what the rule says is you can flip the coordinates and then negate your x coordinate. So negate, again, when I say that, I mean like do the opposite. So if it was negative originally, make it positive in the next one. So I like to start off here, find my coordinates. My j was 3, 4, so my new j prime will be 4, negative 3. I'm flipping it, I'm negating my x value. K prime is going to be 4, negative 6. L prime is going to become 1, negative 8. And then M prime is going to become, positive 1, negative 1. So you can go ahead and graph those. I'm going to do this really quick. Pause it for a second. Alright, so I saved us some time and I drew in the image right here by pausing my video and doing it. So here's my new image, J prime, K prime, L prime, M prime. Notice how I'm taking the shape and I'm rotating it 270 degrees. Like I'm just like, and I wish I could like show you with my hands and show you with the actual shapes, but again, we're rotating it around that origin. Another way you could check is if you were to connect the dots from M to M prime, they're equidistant away, and then also they are, like, this is going to become a 270 degree angle going counterclockwise. So you could do that to every single point and you would see that. Alright, and that's it for lesson 9.3. Go ahead and try to finish homework number 3. If you have any questions, email me and I can help you out. Thank you. Bye.